Have you ever wondered what happens when you hit the print button? It seems like magic, but it's actually a super cool journey for your document. Let's break it down. First, you're in your favorite application, ready to print that important file or that awesome photo. You click print. Immediately, your computer's print driver jumps into action. Think of the print driver as a translator. It takes your document, whether it's text, images, or graphics, and converts it into a special language that the printer can understand. This new language is called print data. Now, this data needs to get from your computer to the printer. This is where your network comes in. If you're using a wired connection, the data zips through the Ethernet cable as tiny packets of information. It travels through your router or switch directly to the printer. If you're on Wi-Fi, it's just as fast but invisible. The data packets are sent wirelessly, like radio waves, from your device's Wi-Fi antenna to the router, which then beams them over to the printer. You can picture it as glowing signals flying through the air. Once the data arrives at the printer, it doesn't just start printing right away. It first goes into something called the printer spooler. The spooler is like a waiting room or a buffer. It collects all the data packets and organizes them in the correct order, making sure the entire print job is ready to go. This is really helpful because it frees up your computer so you can get back to work while the printer handles the rest. It also allows the printer to manage multiple print jobs from different people without getting them all mixed up. Finally, with the entire job neatly lined up in the spooler, the printer's internal brain, the processor, takes over. It feeds the data piece by piece to the printer head. For an inkjet printer, the print head precisely sprays tiny droplets of ink onto the paper, recreating your document line by line. For a laser printer, it uses a laser and toner to fuse the image onto the page. Slowly but surely, a physical copy of your digital file emerges from the printer tray, looking exactly like it did on your screen. So, from a simple click in an application, your file is translated by the print driver, sent across the network, organized by the spooler, and finally brought to life by the printer head. It's a seamless, high-tech relay race that happens in just a few seconds. Pretty amazing, right? Next time you print something, you'll know the incredible journey it took to get into your hands. Thanks for watching. If you found this explanation helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech deep dives. Let us know in the comments what other everyday tech you'd like us to explain. See you in the next video.